Hello guys, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can configure your Gmail ID with your Outlook. So we have already discussed the basic settings, the pre-settings you can say, which you have to do before configuring your Gmail account with any third-party email client services. So either it's Outlook, either it's Thunderbird, whatever. So if you haven't watched that video, just go and watch that video from the Outlook playlist. Today we are going to just log in our email address and check whether the email address will be accessible with Outlook or not. So I have already opened my Outlook. So once you open your Outlook, you will see this window.
Email address edit type.
So email address edit, here you need to type your email address. I have already sent in with my Outlook email address, Microsoft Exchange email address, so that's why I have to go to file menu, and there I have to click on add new account. Then the same dialog box will be opened. But in your case, if you don't have signed in with your if you have not signed in with your Outlook account, so this screen will be visible after opening Outlook. So let's start learning. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Turn on the bell icon, choose all notification to keep updating with latest videos. If you want to get updates, you can join our Telegram channel. You can follow us, like us on Facebook, and also you can join our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. All the links are given into the video description. So
Email address edit type.
Email address edit. So here I need to type the email address which I am to configure. So for example, I'm typing my email address.
Ratulbasak me at.
So after entering the email address, I'm pressing tab.
Advanced options collapse.
So if you have the email address which is which belongs to a custom domain, for example, your email address is info@ratul.in or info@accessiblecomputing.in. So in case of this, you have to configure your email address by using this advanced options. So there you need to type SMTP server address, server credentials, which you can get from your IT person of your company. So in my case, I'm using Gmail address and Gmail, Hotmail, Rediffmail, the common email services, the common email service providers. SMTP details are already integrated with email clients. So I'm pressing tab.
Connect button to
activate. Connect button. I'm pressing
enter. Outlook progress indicator adding ratulbasak.me@gmail.com.
So Outlook is adding my email address.
Accounts dialog list.
Yeah. So I'm pressing tab.
Enter your email edit. Ratulbasak.
So now I need to sign into Google. So I'm pressing tab to click on next button.
Enter your password. Password edit.
Yes, so here I not just need to give the password, so let me give the password.
Caps lock is on. Caps lock. Impaired. Num lock on. Enter your password. Sign. Enter your password. Stop blank. Select pasted.
So
sign in.
So I'm clicking on sign in button.
Enter. Redirecting page.
Yes, so it's a redirected.
Gmail.com. Ratulbasak.me@gmail.com. Allow button to activate.
So allow button. Now you need to allow your allow Outlook to access your Google account. So for example, I'm just clicking allow button.
Enter custom control adding ratulbasak.me@gmail.com.
So please wait. So if you have to refresh your Outlook, you need to press Ctrl plus F9.
Successfully added list box. ratulbasak.me@gmail.com 1 of 1.
Account successfully added. So I'm pressing tab. Let's see what are the options.
Advanced option set up done button to activate.
So I'm clicking on done button. So now the main Outlook screen is opened. So here we can access emails. So in this video, I have just shared with you how you can configure your Gmail with Outlook. In the next video of Outlook sessions, we will cover how you can access emails, how you can read emails. And then we will cover how to compose and so and so. So if you're enjoying this Outlook series, do not forget to press the like button and share this video as much as possible. And leave a comment into the comment section. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Goodbye.